Hi there, Mark here again. Got Rob on the camera.
Hi all.
And welcome to this, which is a very special unboxing for me.
What's so special about that then, dude?
Well, I'm glad you asked that, Rob. It's very special because this arrived in a extremely well packaged box this week. It had layer upon layer, and it was in 2 sacks and all wrapped up and tied up and taped up. Took me about half an hour to get into it, but when I finally got into it, I found this.
Wow.
Now, the funny thing is, I've got no idea who it's from, Rob. I know it's got something to do with Pete Wiley because he did ask me for my address, but I've got no idea who it's actually from. So somebody has sent me this as a gift. So I'm really blown away. I don't know what really to say, Rob, about that.
I bet.
Well, yeah, just thank you is all I can say. It's really come at a good time for me because I'm struggling for funds at the minute with the channel, so this is absolutely fantastic, and I know it's going to be good fun to run when we've got it done. But yeah, so it came in that box, like I said, and there was a letter on the top saying read this first, and here's the letter. You got that, Rob? I'll just quickly read what it says. It says, "Dear Mark, please find enclosed one of everything you will need to build your very own Lunchbox Munster van. I've included a full set of rubber sealed metal bearings, a set of aluminium body posts, a 3D printed gearbox brace, a Core RC 15 turn brush motor and a suitable 60 amp brushed ESC. Wow. I use this motor combo pair in most of my RCs, so I know that they are very reliable, tried and tested pairing. I've also included some vouchers for you to use if you don't want to ruin your van shell." Wow. I mean, come on, that's incredible. Happy building, Mark, and welcome to the Lunchbox family. Kindest regards. And
no signature.
No signature. Again, whoever you are, that's just amazing. That's fantastic. So, should we get the top off, Rob, and have a look at what he sent? It says it's a Lunchbox Black Edition. I'm not sure because he's obviously included some special bits in there, so let's have a look. Rightio, it's always difficult getting the lids off these. So it's obviously a brand new box, isn't it? So
I think so.
like I say, it was so well protected in the way the guy I kept saying the guy, whoever it was, sent it. Yeah, it's in brilliant condition. So here we go. It's not a black one. Not that I'm disappointed at all, guys. So yeah, we've got the standard Lunchbox shell, which I'll don't know what colour I'm going to paint it now. Yeah, we've got the standard tub, gearbox parts, the tyres, the chrome parts, the suspension, is it? The front suspension, and we've got
black wheels.
Black wheels. So it's a bit of a mishmash, isn't it? I think these are the ones that come with the black edition, aren't they?
They did with mine.
It's well, I prefer that anyway. I like the black one. I'm not too keen on the yellow one, so that's nice. Got some more parts here, and we've got a little box here with there's some of the goodies that the guy sent. So I'll tell you what, Rob, let's do the usual, the magic of video, and let's get it all out the packaging. And there it is. Wow. Not that much stuff in there, is there really, Rob? So hopefully this won't take me too long to put together. I've got 2 weeks off with the Easter holidays at school, so yeah, this is going to be perfect timing as well for me. So let's have a quick look then. As I said, we've got the really soft plastics here, that makes these almost unbreakable, I think, doesn't it, Rob?
I think so.
I shouldn't have said that, should I?
No.
So yeah, those are the front arms, and so the soft plastics. You've got the lovely chrome pieces there for the bodywork and for the shocks, or springs, I should say. Yeah. So, but I'm going to quite happily keep those on because it's all the charm.
The size of the tyres, mate.
I know.
Putting decent shocks on it can make a difference. I don't think.
The charm of this thing is the bounce anyway, isn't it? So we've got the harder plastics here. I think these are for the rear gearbox mounts. Is that? I'm not sure what that's for, Rob. Do you know what that is?
I can't remember. Might be for the front.
That looks like the engine mount. For the gearbox again, got a servo saver. You've got the clear window. And is that the like the sunroof?
The sunroof, yeah.
And the front lights. I think I will see if I can put a couple of lids in there. in the front anyway. You've got that super sturdy bumper again. Going to be needing that, I think.
Yeah.
And then onto more plastics. This part goes, is that underneath the front?
Yeah, that holds the front axles,
yeah.
or not the axles, the wishbones.
The wishbones, that's it. So that's that. You've got your differential there with some rather large planetary gears. Pretty cool. Big chunky gears in there, aren't they?
Yeah.
So yeah, hopefully that's going to take the power of this nice 15 turn motor. And I think I read up this is 23,000 plus revs, Rob, so
cool.
It should be whizzing along. So
yeah.
Cheers for that to whoever you are again. Keep saying that. And the 60 amp, I think it's OC Day ESC, looks pretty cool with a fan built in, a nice alloy heatsink, nice one. You've got 4 of these lovely, very soft, hang on, thanks Simon, yeah, very nice soft tyres there. I think they're 115mm, are they, something like that. We've got
2.2
both halves of the gearbox there, and the cover for the pinion goes in there, does it? The pinion cover.
I'll have to make it a clear one up.
Yeah, so I can see if I've worn it out. Then it's onto the parts bags. So you've got your spur gear, is that? Could be a spur, yeah, looks like it. You've got some tape, you've got a strap, and there's the pinion in there. It's a brass, I think it's a 10 tooth pinion in this.
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah. We've got those lovely aluminium body posts that the whoever sent it, lovely those are. So we'll be putting those on. There's the set of rubber sealed metal bearings, and there's the one little, it's 850, Rob?
Yeah.
So that goes in the gearbox, doesn't it, that one?
Yeah.
So that's brilliant. Lots of great hop-ups with this. You've got your screw bag, B, you've got D, won't be using those bushings.
No.
More metal parts there. You've got part C with hardly anything in there, bag C. A few tiny little cap screws. Parts A, bag A, just screws and bolts, washers, nuts. And on the last bag here, it's got the springs for the shocks. You've got the metal wheelie bar, is that, Rob?
It is.
The front axles. You've got the rear axles there, I think, drive shafts.
Yep.
And these long bolts, they're for the shocks, aren't they, mate?
They are.
So yeah, they're very long, aren't they? But they do poke up through the top of the chassis. So yeah, that's your bathtub. But hopefully that will be okay. I think Pete mentioned about strengthening some of these points. I'll have to look at his video again about that. And there are those lovely black wheels. So yeah, the body we've said. I'm not sure what colour to do this now. I'm thinking of metallic because I like my metallics, but I have to go down Halfords and get a tin of spray paint, I think, Rob.
Yeah.
We'll have a look what they got. So I'm looking forward to doing that. And then last but not least, we've got the original yellow lunchbox sticker pack, I think it is, Rob.
Looks it.
That would be cool. I'll have to look at what will go with the orange. Green, I think. Green and orange, mate. Yeah, green and orange. It's got me thinking. And you've got the lovely Tamiya manual again, beautifully laid out. I shall be following that, and hopefully I'll be doing a build video on this, so you'll be seeing this underneath the build. Yeah, so that's great. And last but not least, especially for Pete, yay! I might just use that, you know, Rob. I'm not sure. I might have a spare 27 meg receiver lying around.
I'd stick it in anyway.
Yeah, I'll stick it in anyway. There you go. That'll do. That's just for you, Pete. So there you go. I've got some, like you said, he's put some vouchers in for a different shell. So again, thanks very much, whoever you are. It's been a pleasure opening this, and I'm sure it's going to be a pleasure building it. I'll be doing the videos of the build and hopefully the first run soon. And to everybody else out there, what a fantastic RC family we've got. That just proves it, really, doesn't it, Rob?
It does.
I mean, the generosity is just quite amazing. I'm babbling now, aren't I?
You are.
Sorry, I'm going to have to stop. So thanks again for watching. Hope to catch you on the next one, and see you soon.
See you later.
Bye.